In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit or update a document in Firebase from Draftbit. So in previous tutorials, we covered how to set up the connection between Firebase and Draftbit. We discussed how to read, like how to retrieve information and display it in your Draftbit app. We discussed how to write, how to send information from Draftbit to Firebase. We discussed how to delete something, but here I want to update or edit an entry. So here's my database. I got like different foods like steak, turnip, and I want to change the temperature at which I'm cooking steak, for example. So as I'm iterating through my entries from Firebase, I'm going to add a new input text for the new temperature I want to save. And I'm going to also add a button to just say save or edit. So here it is. Now I have my list. Actually, probably delete should go at the very bottom because you know it's kind of the critical action. I'm also gonna maybe make that a little bit different from a styling point of view and give it a little bit of padding, margin, sorry. Okay, so hopefully that's a little bit easier to read visually. And then the text field is the one with the new temperature. So I'm gonna give it a name just so I can reference it later. It's new temp, and I'm gonna give it a default value like 180, so people know they should enter like a temperature here. If I were to do it right, I would put a label and all that, but for the purpose of this tutorial, hopefully that's clear enough. Okay, so now when I click this button, which is going to be edit, I'm also going to change the name of the button, that way it's a little bit clearer. Okay, this is edit. So when I click on it, I'm going to the interaction tab. On tap, I want to do a Firebase action, which is update the document. And I need to specify which collection, which in my case, it's cooks. That's the name of my collection I've been working in so far. And I need to give it the document ID, which is here. So that's the ID I'm getting from iterating through the list. And I gotta give it a like new value. So in my case, I want to be able to set a new temperature. So I'm gonna select new temp for that temperature. And that should be enough. Let's give that a try. So I'm gonna preview it. So again, right now I have like a steak entry that I cook at 129 degrees Fahrenheit. Here it is. And I'm going to change that to 135. I'm going to edit it. And here it is. It got updated right away. And it got updated here in the database as well, 135. So that's how you'll do it. So this is how you read, delete, but also edit an entry in Firebase.